Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Yosh! Wow, finally back. Okay, so I got a little macOS Monterey update problem. Wow, that took me a week to fix. Let's go Apple! Anyway, today let's talk about trends. Talking about trends show you are basically updated with the latest tendencies and in your field, right? So that helps to build the image you are the person to go when a topic requires the newest views or different opinions or newest opinions, right? Because I run a site dedicated to technology trends and innovations, and you can check it out, it's called grandz.com, grendz.com. And I'm very familiar with actually following trends and try to understand my field, which is the technological field. So it's an easy task for me, and I really advise you to do the same for your field, to keep updated and keep searching for the directions that the field is going, your industry, and that's will be a plus when people wants to get new information about what's going on that particular field. And again, this is will connect you professionally with other passionate people, and that's going to be a win-win. Let's say you are on fashion or music or any other field. Why not to craft posts showing the latest tendencies on these areas? If you do not have yet such a field, keep searching and, just going around and look for, there are many websites and it's just scrambling the radio,
Time, weather, and always pass. Case of various
So to help you to talk about trends and what's going on in a certain field, you can use and you should use visual resource like graphics or charts. It will help you to develop your thoughts in a simpler and clear way to explain those trends. It's important you make observation, jargon free. Don't try to use too much technical jargons and something that is related only to that field, because your goal is basically try to when you post, you're trying to get everyone's attention, and although you're gonna attract people specific that is interesting on that field or industry, doesn't mean that other people cannot share or cannot understand your posts. And the way to do that is just to keep very simple and, again, try to eliminate those few terminologies that usually, especially like IT, for example, we use certain terms that maybe somebody who is not on the field will not really understand. So try to avoid that. So as action, create 5 trend posts close to your heart, something that really you like it and something you care about it very well, Don't forget to add visuals to make it self-explainable and pretty easy to understand by anyone. Use those graphics resource that I talk about it and in your favor, back up your thoughts and assumptions too. So last, as food for thought, I sometimes wonder why social media is so into censorship mode these days, Maybe I got the answers. The answer is the power of ideas.
I've witnessed firsthand the power of ideas. I've seen people kill in the name of them and die defending them. But you cannot kiss an idea, cannot touch it or hold it. Ideas do not bleed, they do not feel pain, they do not love.
But they are powerful. Thank you. See you later soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.